Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll take you go through to the about the project of BATAR. So BATAR is basically an agro-tourism agronomy project started by Colonel Fawad Hanif and along with some other experts in the field, which include Dr. Umar, Dr. Numan, and many others. So I just go take you towards the website of Batar. So you can go to batar.org, and if you'll go there, wait a minute, I made a mistake. I was already there, and I .org. Okay, so this is batar.org. If you go to the website, you can find there all the important information about it. So basically they have different type of domains where they are working. It is their Zimedar Shari, agro entrepreneurship, agritourism, news and events, and knowledge base as well. So for example, in knowledge base they just had run a course on search engine optimization, which was offered free to the people. It's finished a few days back, and there will be more courses offered. You can always keep on visiting here and you will find different new courses. Then comes the Zimedar Shari, or responsible citizen initiative. That is a very good initiative for public service messaging, where different type topics are being discussed and people are asked to know about those things which are very important, and being a responsible city they should follow. And for the convenience of the people, it is available in Urdu. So let's say this is one video which is related to rain, barish or hum, which means rain and ourselves, how can we get benefit from the rain. Then we have the environmental video, which is how we can become friendly with the environment, how can we cause the to stop the pollution caused by us. That is also
किसी भी
there.
सूरत हाल के
And then
दुरुस्त
we have
इदराक
the
के लिए
water.
लाजिम
There's
है कि
another video related to water, which is how can we get benefit from the water other than not only rain but other than that. And there are some other videos
हर
also
एक
being
जिंदगी का
uploaded
दारोमदार
which
पानी पर
are
है और यही है हमारी
being used for different uses of the rain. Okay, so this is about another initiative. Basically Batar as a farmhouse initiated in near a city, is a small village near Chakwal known as Baghbala. So actually it is Baghbala agritourism and agronomy resort. So there are different opportunities for the researchers, people coming along who are related to the field of agriculture in any way, and they can practice their startups, their ideas, and they can help people of the community to get benefit out of it. So this was a complete quick introduction about the Batar project and how it's going to help the people.